Hello, boys and girls. Hello, boys and girls. Hello, and how are you? I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. I hope that you are too. I hope that you are too. I hope that you are too.
Hello everyone and welcome to another music class. Today we're going to be singing about Incy Wincy Spider and how she climbs up the water spout. We're also going to learn about some animals together. We're also going to move like the animals. Everyone, can you show me your Incy Wincy Spider? Climbing up the water spout. Lots of legs on the spider. Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. So Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the spout again. Let's do that again together. Ready? Here we go. Parents, if you're watching, you can also climb up the arm with Incy Wincy Spider. Wash her out with the rain. Bring out the sunshine to dry up all the rain. So Incy Wincy Spider can climb up the spout. Okay. All right, everyone. Let's go. Let's do it together. Here we go. Here we go, Spider.
Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed poor Incy out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. So Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the spout again.
All right, let's do it. Climbing up and up and up.
Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed poor Incy out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. So Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the spout again.
Wow, well done. That was so much fun. All right, everyone. Very good. Today, I've brought some animals with me. I have ooh. Oh, wow. I have a pussycat. Meow. 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 The pussycat crawls on 4 paws. Can you crawl like a pussycat? Shall we try that together? Ready? Here we go. Crawling like a pussycat. Oh. Meow. 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 Great job! I have more animals right here. Which one's going to be next? Oh, we have here our duck. What noise does a duck make? Quack, 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 quack. Quacking like a ducky. Can we walk like a ducky? Get your wings ready. Quack, quack. Here we go. Can you walk like a ducky? Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Are you flapping your wings? Quack, quack. Like a ducky? Good job. I have more animals to share with you. We have a rabbit. Can you hop like a bunny? Can you hop like a bunny? Yeah? Can you chomp carrots like a bunny? Let's hop like a bunny together. Ready? Get ready. Let's hop like a bunny. Bend your knees and we're going to jump really high. Ready? Wow! Can you jump really high like a bunny? Hop! And my last animal is... What animal is this? It's a horsey. Horses trot. Trotting like a horsey. Can you neigh like a horsey? Can you make the sound of a horse? Neigh! Neigh! Ready? Let's trot like a horsey. Let's go. Let's be a horse. Ready? Very good. Horses trot very quickly. I think we should do a silly song together. Ready?
Everybody sit in your own spot. Listen for the name of the animal, then move like that animal. Walking like a ducky, a-walking all around. Quacking like a ducky, a-making ducky sounds. I wanna be a duckily, a-walking in a puckily. Just a little ducky, a-walking around. Go back to your spot. Get ready for the next animal. And here we go. Creeping like a kitty, a-creeping all around. Meowing like a kitty, I'm-making kitty sounds. I wanna be a kiddly, a-creeping in the middle-y. Just a little kitty, a-creeping around. Go back to your spot. Get ready for the next animal. And here we go. Hopping like a bunny, hopping all around. Chomping like a bunny, I'm making bunny sounds. I wanna be a bunny, a-hopping in a tunnely. Just a little bunny, a-hopping around. Go back to your spot. Get ready for the next animal. And here we go. Trotting like a horsey, a-trotting all around. Neighing like a horsey, I'm-making horsey sounds. I wanna be a horsely, a-trotting on a coursely. Just a little horsey, a-horsing around. Just a little horsey, a-horsing around.
Great job,
Back to your
everyone.
spot.
Great job. Let's sit down. A pussycat? Meow. A duck? Quack, quack, quack. A horsey? Neigh! Galloping around. And a rabbit bouncing around. Alright, everyone. That's all we have time for today. But well done. I hope you had fun. I'll see you all next time. Goodbye. Bye-bye.
Wave your hand, say goodbye, say goodbye, say goodbye. Wave your hand, say goodbye to everyone.